My love, you are my best friend, my happiness and my forever dream. Every moment with you feels like magic, and I never want it to end. So today, I ask you from the deepest part of my heart, will you be my forever? I promise to cherish you, to stand by your side in every storm, and to love you more with each passing day. With you, forever is not just a promise, it's my greatest wish.